do?
Hey, face is part of the body. Don't be sorry about it.
I know, but I don't like to get hot. If I do it, I always apologize.
If they do,
I just try to be nice.
If they're sneaking up or cooking their heads out and that's it, that's on them. That's why this.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What's up?
What's up, Spears?
Yeah, that guy.
Right there behind the pole. He just called hit. He just called hit.
Yeah, I'm with you though, yeah.
That's what I'm on. Where?
You guys want to hold it? Let it rock. There comes another one. HK.
Watch out, it's HK.
I know.
I see him down there at the end of the fence. See him, Daniel? Up on the left, up on the hill.
They can't down there yet, don't worry. Game's not on yet.
You like that?
We're just marching.
I'll be busy too. I'll respond eventually.
Talk to me. Good shot, right? Start trying to drag back the wounded. Get it back down here if you can.
I have a bad feeling.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Loading! Alright guys, what's the plan? Raise the fire, we're going to push up, clear these guys off of here. Everyone get to a good spot of cover, raise fire on the crest of that hill. Let's go, move now! Hit! Hit! Hit!
Drag him down.
They're coming hard, run!
Taking video?
Yeah.
Hit my orange first.
Yeah. I forgot, dude.
It's alright, as long as someone got it. I'm reloading.
Let's go. Move, move, move. Two, go. Two,
Let's
go. Two.
Go, go, go.
Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mag, mag. Okay, mag. Where's our gunner?
Who lost the mag?
I did.
Somebody pick it up.
Hey, you grab that mag?
Collins, grab that mag.
You lost two?
It's in the ditch.
Cover Collins!
looks like Iraq.
Goddamn brains everywhere.
Are you using green pouch?
Yeah.
There's about 6
Hey,
of those
grab that
bastards
mag
back
on your
here.
way through.
How those two?
I got it.
God damn it.
Got it. Good looking out.